my schnoz was correct. This has citrus, lemon, fruit extract, and grapefruit extract. So, hey, not that anyone can figure out those two scents, but it made me feel like I knew what I was doing. Hi everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you've stopped by because you've been curious what you get in a QVC Tili Try It, Love It box, then you're in the right place, and keep on watching. Okay, so one of my subscribers, you know who you are, convinced me to give this box a try. Okay, so in this box, you receive 8 products. It costs $25 with a $3.50 shipping and handling. Tax was $2.88, and I somehow had a credit or discount code that got me $5 off. Don't remember what that was. Could have been Rakuten, maybe honey. I don't know. But the grand total for me was $26.38. All right. This, I don't know a lot about this box, and it just is pretty plain. But let's dig in and see if maybe there's a different, prettier box inside. Yes, there is. Okay. Ooh, I like this. It's like animal. Well, they're just little doodle circles, but I thought it was like leopard print. I don't think it is. This is a pretty box. It's sturdy too. It reminds me of the boxes you get from like Glossy Box. When you open the box, there is tissue paper, and everything just seems to be dumped right on in there. All right, let's grab the first item and see what this is. I have a feeling this will be for your nails. This is La Touche Finale, and they're mini nail stickers. Well, yeah, I don't do nail, but those are tiny. How do you get them off and put them on your nails? I'm going to set that aside. I have recently received another nail product for a future giveaway. By the way, if you haven't done so yet, please go check out the 500 subscriber giveaway video. It has all the instructions for what you need to participate. All right, what is this next item? It looks to be I assume is like a perfume of some sort. This is Truth by Chaz Dean. It's Eau de Parfum. Oh, Chaz Dean does hair products. I didn't know he was into perfumes. That one's not filled up very to the top there, so let's give it a sniff. Oh, don't get your nose in there that deep. It's citrusy, and it smelled like grapefruit. Oh, it's quite lovely. It has that slight, grapefruit has a little bit of bitterness. I sniff that, and it feels, I don't want to say greasy, but like almost like it's a slight oil in there. All right. Thank you, COVID, but I haven't worn any kind. I'm just in my house. I haven't worn a perfume or scent in eons, so that was quite lovely to get rid of my normal funk. Okay, what is this next item? Oh, it also looks like some kind of a perfume, but maybe it's a mascara. This is high definition mascara called Lash. Who's this from? I wish there was a card. There is a card. I thought this looks like when you get something from Amazon that just kind of has all the disclaimers. All right, let me, and by card I mean thin piece of paper, but it's got the info, so I will take that. Okay, so this here is the Belle Beauty Black Lash Mascara, and it is not waterproof. So this will be in a future giveaway. I'm not going to open. I always like to see what the brush looks like, but I don't want to ruin it for whoever receives it. And does it say what it retails for? No, there are no prices. Okay. And now that I have the card, my schnoz was correct. This has citrus, lemon, fruit extract, and grapefruit extract. So, hey, not that anyone can figure out those 2 cents, but it made me feel like I knew what I was doing. All right, next item. What is this? Oh, okay, I saw the word Westmore. This is Westmore Beauty, and it is a 60-second eye effects tinted priming gel. All right, so this, my viewer was like, doesn't matter if you don't like the other products. Get this box for this product, because she knows how much my under eye wrinkles, dark circles bother me. All right, so this little guy here, it does come safety sealed. It has the little plastic around it. I'm wearing a full makeup, so I'm not going to take this off now, but you will be seeing a first impression video real soon. Okay, what does the card say about this? Oh, it doesn't, these cards don't give information. They just list the product and the ingredients, which is nice. So this is just, yeah, nothing special. And this is 10 milliliters. Okay, next item. Ooh, what is this? Oh, I am familiar with this brand. I believe this is a Korean brand. This is from YENSA, and it's a pumpkin turmeric mask. Radiance polishing mask. 8 super orange essence. Oh. Okay, it does come safety sealed. I was thinking the color, for some reason I thought this was going to be like a cream blush, but it is not. Okay. Next item. Whoa. It's heavy and it looks to be full size. This is from YEN, and it is a restorative cleansing conditioner, and it's for all hair types. Yes. Okay. For those who love hair care products, sorry, I can actually use a conditioner, so this will stay in my shower, and I will report back if I like it. Oh, okay, so this, I presume, will go into this. Okay, that's nice that, I guess that it comes separately. All right, next item, we have a little tiny sample from Sunday Riley, and this is the Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. I do have this product full size, which I believe I got in a boxy charm. All right, next item. Ooh, what is this? It's liquidy. Are you going to be a serum? This is, ooh, no, not a serum. This is from MineTan, and it's a Luxe Oil Tanning Drops. Ooh, I be pasty pale, and so I love experimenting with self-tanners because this face will never see the light of day because that's what ages us, and yeah. All right, last item. Ooh, it's another tiny sample, but this is from a Shishi brand, Peter Thomas Roth, and it's a Firm X Collagen Moisturizer, and it's a 7.5 milliliter sample. Okay, let's recap what we got. So we got some really tiny little nail art stickers. We got a sample of Peter Thomas Roth Collagen Moisturizer. I'm excited to give these a try, these self-tanning oil drops, which I'm hoping you can just add to your skincare. I will need to look that up. We got a YENSA polishing mask with pumpkin and turmeric. From Westmore Beauty, we have a 60-second eye effects eye cream. Excited to give that a try. From Sunday Riley, we got a sample of the Good Genes Lactic Acid. We got a full-size mascara, a sample size of a perfume, and a full-size conditioner from YENSA Hair Products. I think that's a pretty good deal for $25. I'm going to list on the screen the prices. I'm going to assume that this itself costs $20 to $30. That's going to be, we'll pay for the box itself. This will add to the box value, as well as that Westmore 60-second eye product. So that's a really good deal. Let me know if you've ordered this box before. I'm not one to, as much as I shop online, I'm not a big QVC shopper, but I'm filming this today on April the 10th, and I went to their website to check out what the price of this box was, because I forgot, and they're having a big 25% off sale on select items through to the end of April. So if you're curious, go check it out. I did notice that some of their other boxes, by the way, the Tili box, the Try It, Love It series, it's more than this one box. They have numerous different boxes. So if you're more into hair care products or skincare, or they have different ones from different months or different times they've released it. Some are on sale as low as $16. Some are more expensive, like at the $39 price. They probably have different or more expensive products. Anyways, if you're curious, go check it out, and they're running a sale right now. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. There's a little button there. It looks like this. Thumbs up. It really does help me out. I would love for you to subscribe for those who have. Thank you. And click that bell icon so that you're notified of my next video. All right, thanks, everyone.